सामने आ जाओ। और ऑयल लीक होने लगा।
गरम इंसान।
एक्चुअली हम लोग इतने धीरे चल रहे थे आप लोगों की वजह से तो लीक हो गया। थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ, सब पीछे सामने लगा दो प्लीज। चलो थोड़ा पीछे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
एक बार फोटो हो जाए, फोटो पीछे हो जाए और कैमरा पीछे लगा दो। चलो हाँ मैम एक फोटो
पीछे पीछे बाइक के साथ
बाइक के साथ लेने देना। थोड़ा पीछे
और पीछे और पीछे और पीछे और पीछे
आप तो सामने
आगे फ्रेम में आ जाओ यार ना, नहीं आ रहा फुल। ए थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ, पीछे आ जाओ, पीछे आओ थोड़ा पीछे। मनोज वरुण यहाँ पे सामने।
माइक्स दो बाइट्स के लिए।
वरुण यहाँ कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट करो। एकता जी यहाँ पराग थोड़ा पीछे यार। वरुण सेंटर में।
दादा उधर से
वरुण यहाँ पे हाथ पीछे रखो यार। पीछे वरुण यहाँ हाथ पीछे रखो। वरुण ये साइड सामने। एकता जी यहाँ पे सामने। वरुण यहाँ पे थोड़ा। वरुण यहाँ पे। वरुण एकता जी यहाँ पे। वरुण एकता ये साइड। एक तो सामने एकता जी। वरुण जी
जादू क्या कर रहे
कैमरा पीछे रख ले।
मैं जादू
यहाँ पे वरुण वरुण
अरे दिखने वाला इधर है। चलो रोलिंग 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 रोलिंग।
वरुण सबसे पहले तो आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, काफी अच्छा प्रमोशन था लेकिन काफी कैओटिक माहौल हो चुका था, काफी कियोस मच चुका था हर जगह पे, क्या कहेंगे आप?
बस कि जब एक इतनी गर्म इंसान को आप बाइक पे बैठाओगे तो ऐसी ही चीज होगी ना।
एक बाइक फट भी गई।
एक बाइक फट भी गई इनके बैठने से। इतना पावर है एकता कपूर में। एक
पावर नहीं है,
बाइक फट भी गई। नो
I
बट
think it's
ऑनेस्टली
mostly
क्योंकि हम लोग
you.
नहीं नॉट एट ऑल आई थिंक
कितना हॉट हीरो है।
हम लोग मैंने बिफोर भी प्रमोशन किया इलियाना और नरगिस के साथ किया, पर ये पहली बार मैं एकता के साथ इधर निकला हूँ बाहर। एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक इट गॉट सो केओटिक, क्योंकि अक्सर बाहर निकलती नहीं, आप देखते नहीं है कि कभी वो प्रमोशन के लिए इतना निकलती है। एंड फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक शी अग्रीड दैट शी गॉट रेडी टू गेट ऑन अ बाइक विद मी। सो आई हैव टू थैंक एकता फॉर दैट।
कितने पापड़ पेलने पड़े एकता को मनाने के लिए और अपने पीछे बिठाने के लिए बाइक पे?
थोड़ा इमोशनली ब्लैकमेल करना पड़ा मुझे बस।
It must have been your toughest bike ride, I think.
It was, I mean, because we were traveling at a speed of 10 or 12, so I mean, I was either on neutral or on first gear because I mean,
I was pulling his skin.
yeah,
I
I
thought
was
his
getting
body
pulled
with
back.
scratch marks and not for a good reason.
And I think आप लोग भी थोड़ा धीरे चल रहे थे फुटेज के लिए, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, पर आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी कंट्रोल्ड बाइक राइड, वेरी स्मूथ। You know, very honestly, the first time I sat on a bike was in student of the year, and I rode a Hayabusa. Like I learnt it in 1 hour, and I drove a Hayabusa. And then after that, Sinu also has his bike, जो उधार पे लेता है। वो इतना अमीर नहीं है। अभी ये भी बाइक मुझे एकता जी के कृपा से मिला है, उधार में उन्होंने दिया है। और एक ये तो प्रेस बाइक है, ये प्रेस बाइक है, which I think किसकी बाइक है ये? इसने तो दी ना इधर से। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you sir, अच्छी बाइक थी, ये मोस्ट सेफ थी।
सेफ बाइक।
कई बार आई होंगी आप फिल्म सिटी से पहले।
और नरगिस के साथ रोमांस कर रहे, लेकिन बाइक राइड पर एकता को लेकर क्यों है?
क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से कि जो मुंबई का वातावरण है,
I thought you were something on me.
No, I'm saying नहीं, I'm coming to you.
How embarrassing
I said मुंबई के
यार।
you know, इलियाना और नरगिस
मुंबई का वातावरण।
थोड़े नाजुक लड़कियां हैं।
हाँ।
They're little soft, little sensitive. एकता जो है, I think she's like a wild cat. So I think that's why I think we need her.
Cat?
Yeah.
Let me
So
scratch
actually,
you.
no. I mean, like, no one will mess with me. I feel if she's with me, and she's got my back, and she's had my back
Yes, I
throughout
scratched
the
him
film.
enough.
She's had my back throughout the
एकता
film.
इससे पहले कई बार फिल्म सिटी आना हुआ होगा, मगर जो आज फिल्म सिटी की तरफ आए आप, किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा आने का?
2 बार हनुमान चालीसा पहले बोल रही, 1 बार बाइक पे बोल रही। और इस बार रागिनी इसके साथ बाइक पे बैठी थी, मैं इसको ऐसे पकड़ के स्क्रैच कर रही थी कि he didn't know what happened. He's like, oh my god, तो बहुत टफ था। बिकॉज मुझे तो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में साइकिल पे नहीं बैठी, मैं 2 बार बैठी थी और मेरा साइकिल गिर गया था, मैंने चाइल्ड।
Did you have the cycle with those wheels? Those
Yeah, and my father used to hold the cycle and balance it. The moment my father left the cycle fell and I fell. So मैंने पहली बार bike ride की, and I can't tell you the hate mail I've got from various women saying you lucky. You're riding with Varun on a bike. So,
Ekta, you also dress like a biker chick. Is that
yes,
also, you know,
that was
something
the
about-
idea. I thought he'll mention that I'm just like a biker chick just to ride with him. But
Right.
yeah, I mean,
Is
like,
that a natural
Yeah.
extension to your personality? Does that come natural to
I
you?
wish it was a natural extension, but it's not. It's a fully done up one.
Ekta, how many bike rides have you been in the past? Which have
First time.
the first one?
This actually is my first time.
तो ऐसा क्या मतलब वरुण ने किस तरीके से कन्विंस किया कि आपने वरुण को हाका और व्हाई वरुण ओनली?
Because ये दिखता है स्वामी टाइप का, but ये है बड़ा.
हर्रामी type का. I think इसलिए
Guys, you
मान
all know
लो.
the line. हरामी टाइप का.
Okay, the
So-
one song that you'd like to probably, you know, dedicate this, this bike ride to, some music that might have played despite the Hanuman Chalisa being, you know, recited while she sat behind you. What
It's his song
do
only. It's his song only.
But एक गाना जो हम bike rides पे,
You mean like some song that suits a bike ride? That
yeah,
type?
something like that.
Something like a long journey and stuff. But this was not such a long journey. It was very lot of traffic. There
It
was a lot of
felt
traffic
like it felt like a long journey. It felt like
It
I
was
was gonna
10 kilometers
a
per
part of
hour.
me will fall off.
journey. 48 frames. People will feel I shot this in 48 frames. You have no idea.
No, but you haven't come up with the song yet.
We haven't come up with a song,
No,
but
why
I
not
think
बेशर्मी की height यार.
yeah, I think Besharmi ki height suits
All
it.
night बेशर्मी की
We
height.
shot Besharmi ki height right here in Kalia Maidan also.
On this some bike also.
Yeah, one of these bikes.
वैसे पब्लिक अपीयरेंस को कितना एंजॉय करते हैं या बहुत हैक्टिक समझते हैं?
No, I think I lap it up. To be very honest, I think Ekta and we were just discussing right now on the van that how promotions बहुत hectic हो गए and an actor needs to go out there and you know people need to see that you made a film. But I think जब भी मैं खुले में आता हूँ, जब मैं public appearance बनाता हूँ and if I see crowd, if I see people and if they're looking at me to entertain them, then I think अचानक से मुझ में energy आ जाती है जो मेरी आंखें ऐसे थकी ऐसे अचानक से because I think that's what you're an actor for, to perform for people.
You can't say no to your fans also. I think we saw one auntie coming.
Yeah.
You gave her a ride. That was not even planned. So
That was not a planned thing, but I
think she forcefully-
no, she was definitely not a contest winner. but
what was she?
I don't know, she wanted to be dropped to a bus stop, she said. But that's cool, yeah, I think, why
So
not?
cute.
I think the whole rally that we planned in all cities, and this was Ekta's idea, is about women power, and it's about showing empowerment of women, and why can't they ride? And you see all these beautiful girls who rode with me, and they did such a good job, you know. And I think hopefully, like a lot of people who say that women are bad drivers will change their mind after this. But I think they were very smooth, and though there was so much press and so many people blocking them, they still managed to ride really well.
But in real life, have you ever given lift to anybody? You know, कोई अच्छी beautiful girl standing on the
Not a beautiful girl. I gave one girl a lift, but it was not a. I mean, I don't know whether I got a little scared after that. It wasn't a very good experience.
I mean,
She was a little older person. She needed help or something. She seemed like she needed help, and it just didn't go down very well. I'm not going to say what happened. It didn't go down well.
Sounds really psycho, but whatever.
Yeah.
we're very curious now.
It's
what
a good
happened?
character. I think it's a good character. You
Yeah?
have to make it.
Okay, did you get molested?
No, nothing like that. No, nothing. It's not like a nothing in that zone. It was more like she had some issues. And
Okay.
एकता वरुण के अलावा आप किसी और के साथ बाइक पे बैठने का मौका मिला तो
नहीं
किसके
बस
साथ जाएंगे?
आपके
मेरे नहीं मेरे लाइफ में एक बात बताऊं मैंने आई एम वन मैन बाइक वुमन
One man bike woman.
सो ऑटोमेटिकली वरुण ही और वरुण के
Did you-
क्या खत्म हो गई
Did you sit
ये
with
मेरी
Sunny?
कहानी खत्म हो
Did
गई
you sit with Sunny Leone in the rickshaw?
इन रिक्शा आर यू मैड नो
No?
यू वांट टू
No, with Sunny.
या शी फाइंड्स यू क्यूट बाय द वे
क्या बोलूँ मैं अभी? I mean,
शी टोल्ड मी शी फाइंड्स वेरी
even
क्यूट
she's very cute.
चलो नेक्स्ट बाइक राइड इज
Last
इज
4 days left for the release now. 4 days left for the release. So any more interesting promotions like this? You know, we see you more on the road like this, or
We are going to become journalists next and follow you guys home and then
would
see
love
what's
that.
going to happen.
Find
So I
scoop
think
and all
I think now I mean I know we are on the last leg, and April 4th I think the film becomes the audience's, and then the audience decides what to do with it. You surrender the film to the audience. But I think that this film I've been pushed by two people. One is my father and one is Ekta Kapoor. I think they both share one thing in common, which is passion for films. And very honestly, most of the things that I've done today, I would have never been able to do them. Nobody would have orchestrated them or let me do them. I think if Ekta wasn't there. I have many random, weird ideas which people don't listen to. I think Ekta is one such person who, you know, told me what you want to do, how you want to do.
A cuter guy than Varun. I think he can sell ice cream to an Eskimo. Forget riding a bike. If you had told me to go to the moon with him, I'd go.
Thanks.
He's so cute. Thank you.
Love you. No, thank you.